Amid all the smartphones, laptops, and cameras, which are definitely fun to review, it really excites us when we come across an innovative gadget that stands out from the crowd for the uniqueness of the thought gone into designing it. The device that we are covering today is one such product, which gets its job done through a very simple ruse. As the name suggests, the US Patrol Hidden Wall Safe electrical plug is meant to keep your small valuables protected from intruders by fooling them into thinking it's an electrical outlet.
Here we go!
This wall safe, which looks like any standard electrical outlet, is the perfect place to hide your money, jewellery, and important documents, or even small gadgets. Designed to fool even the smartest thief. After all, which intruder is going to bother looking behind harmless electrical outlets? It is also reasonably priced and easy to install and use. It provides a storage area measuring 7 by 2.5 by 2 inches and, once installed, pivots out to reveal the secret hiding space. It is made of high-impact plastic and metal, which gives it durability and allows you to change the faceplate to match the appearance of other outlets in your home. The wall safe package includes the safe itself, the cover plate, a small blade, a template, and a key. The easy-to-follow instructions on the box can help you install it on your own, saving you the risk of letting an outsider know that you have a secret safe that looks like an electrical outlet. Using the blade or a small keyhole saw, you can cut a hole in the drywall of your house to match the size of the template. Drop the safe into this hole and cover with the plate. The key lets you turn the latch on the plate and open the safe. The cover plate even has holes that let you plug something to add to the false appearance. Once installed, even your family members might be forgiven if they take it for an actual plug point once in a while. Let's see if this simple but smart idea works with the users. In reviews from close to 100 customers, the US Patrol Hidden Wall Safe has earned an average rating of 2.8 on 5 stars. This low rating is explained mainly by the quality of the plastic, which many users have found an issue with. Careful handling of the faceplate, especially when opening it, has been suggested because of the rather poor strength of the material used. Most users seem to agree, though, that this is a great idea, which just needs to improve on the execution. That's about all we have on the US Patrol Hidden Wall Safe electrical plug. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of innovative gadgets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.